Good morning, dear students. Once again, we are here in the online session of School of Scholars Malkapur. My dear student, from a few days we have been discussing about the topic entertainment through mathematics. In this topic, we have discussed till now many new concepts based on the reasoning. Okay, we all can apply larger multiplication easily. We all can define the larger additions easily. Okay, we can predict we can define the properties of the numbers. Okay, some patterns also we have discussed. So this is very useful for us in day-to-day life whenever we will attend any competitive exam. So these all contents will be helpful for us. In short, the chapter number 5 is very important for you. Okay, so please, whatever the concept I have taught you in this whole, you have to learn them. You have to read them thoroughly. You have to do the practice of it properly. My dear student, today I will discuss and I am going to explain you very interesting, and this is new for you. This topic is very new and the word is also new for us, what I am going to read now. And the today's topic is cryptogram, or it is called as cryptarithmatic. So what does this word suggest? Cryptogram, what does it mean? We know histogram, we know diagram, but what is this cryptogram? My dear student, here, you know somewhat when you were attempting any competitive exam like scholarship, Nodaya, Indian Talent, Olympiad, in that examination, some examples were there in which instead of number, alphabets were used. Alphabet. Draw a meaningful words. Okay, write a meaningful words by using the alphabets, and the alphabets were alternate. Okay. So similarly here also the topic was based on the cryptogram. Okay, suppose you have asked that AB, or we can say A plus B is equal to how much. So as we know that A stands for 1 and B stands for 2. In alphabet, total 26 alphabets are there. So simply A stands for 1 and B stands for 2. A plus 1 plus 2 3, and the answer is C. So this is the minor example. Some complicated and logic based examples also will be asked to you. Okay, now that all this topic is based on alphabet. Okay, here instead of a number, alphabets will be used, and you have to find the value of that alphabets. Okay, you will have to find the alphabets value. Means here you will be given one expression consisting alphabets. Okay, and we have to substitute their numerical value, and so that the numerical value should satisfy the expression. Okay, yes, so this topic we can explain and we can learn based on the examples only. So here some examples I am going to take. See here today's first example, that is, it is given us A multiplied by A multiplied by AB. The answer is triple A. Okay. So what does it suggest? Suggest mathematically. So here two numbers are there, A and B. So when you will substitute here value A, means instead of A any number, same number will be here, and the answer will be triple A. Then we have to find out a two-digit number where at the tens place A will be there and ones place B will be there. So here what we have to do, my dear student, we have to substitute here the values. Instead of this alphabet, we have to substitute here numerical value, and that numerical value should satisfy this expression, this equation. Okay, now see here triple A. We know one digit number, A's value will be one digit number. 1 to 9, it can be anyone. So here the possibilities, 9 possibilities are there. Okay, that number can be triple 1. Okay, triple 2, triple 3, triple 4, triple 5, and triple 6, triple 8, triple 9. Got it, my dear student? Up to this much the possibilities. Now here A also. If triple 1 is here, so it means 1 multiplied by 1. Multiply by now here 2 digit number. Then here 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by here again 2 digit number. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by here 2 digit number. Here 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by answer 4 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by. My dear students, see here 5 is 25. Okay, 5 5s are 25 and here one 5 will be there and 5 and here at the ones place 0 to 9 any number can be there. So here the number can be 51 to 59 any. My dear students, 25 5s are 25 and if you will do 25 50s are means 25 multiplied by 50 also if you will do 25 5s are 125 and 0 is the answer will be of 4 digits. How much? The answer will be of 4 digits and here answer is given of 3 digits. Everywhere the answer is given as 3 digits. So my dear student, here can we take 5 the value of a? No, we can't take the 5. So if you will go further, instead of 50, 51, 52, 59, the value will go above 4 digits. So in short we can say that here the value of a can't be found. So if the value of a can't be found, so the value above it can't satisfy this equation. So it means our number will be, the value of a will be 1 to 4 only. A 1 to 4. So now if, my dear student, one thing is clear. Now the multiplication of 2 and here the answer. Means the multiplication of 2 is a factor of this. When I will divide this number by the multiplication of this 2, I will receive this number. And one simple thing, in my question the tens place digit is 1, then is a, then my answer is correct. So here 1 multiplied by 1, 1 ones are 1, and here triple 1 is there, triple 1 divided by 1, the answer triple 1. The answer is of 3 digits. So it does not satisfy this condition. So the value of a is equal to 1, it is wrong. Now 2 to the 4, triple 2 divided by 4. What do we receive? 4 5s are 20, gives remain 2. So here at the tens place we will receive 5, but at the tens place we want 2 only. So this also does not satisfy our condition. Now third, 3 3s are 9, triple 3 divided by 9, triple 3 divided by 9. Okay, so here 9 3s are 27, at the tens place we receive 3, so it can be go further, gets remain 6, 9 7 are 63, 0 0. So 9 is the exact factor of this 3 triple 3, so here 37 will be there. So my dear student, can you observe? In 37, tens place is 3. So here tens place 3 means a, and it is equal with this a. So here 3, 3 3, here 3, and in the answer triple 3. So does it satisfy our equation? Yes. So value of 3. So what we can say? What is numerical value of this expression? The numerical value of this expression is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 37 is equal to answer 3 times 3, 333. You can verify it. 3 3 is 9, 37 multiplied by 9, 9 7 is okay. So here 3 3 is 9, 9 7 is 63, 6 carry. Now 9 3 is 27, 27 plus 3 is 33. So it satisfies our answer. So by this way, my dear student, you have to find out the numerical value of this alphabetical expression, algebraic expression we can say, and once you will find, then you will solve this type of example. Now see here one more puzzle I will discuss on this. Same. Second example, and it is asked to us a multiplied by b means two different numbers and the product of it a multiplied by b. First it is asked, then the product multiplied by ab means keeping both number together, 2-digit number has formed. Okay, the 2-digit number will consist at ones place b, at tens place a. Okay, and the multiplication of all these three numbers, one 2-digit number and two 1-digit number. Multiplication of all these three number is equal with triple b. My dear student, triple b is there. The value of triple b can be 1 to 9. Total 9 possibilities we have. See here, by possibility first, the number can be triple 1, triple two, triple three, triple four, triple five, triple six, triple seven, triple eight, and triple nine. Got it? So one more thing. So here also that same number will be here. Okay. So my dear student, replace here the number. So here it will be 1, here 2, here it will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and at last here it will be 9. Now my dear student, one more thing. Okay, this number, the answer will have these three numbers as a factor. Correct? If the product is received by multiplying these three numbers, so obviously the product will have these three numbers as a factor. Means these three numbers will be exactly divisible by this A, will be divisible by B, and will be divisible by AB. Okay. So now what I will do? I will divide this answer by B. So whatever the number will remain, that number will have this two factor. Got it? That number will be the product of these two numbers. So what I have to do? First I have to divide this triple B number by B. Then whatever the number I will receive, I have to factorize it and I have to represent that number in a product of two numbers such that one number will be one digit and one number will be two digit. And then I will substitute here and verify whether the two digit number which I will receive the factor, that two digit number, if we will consider at one's place 7, at one's place B, then we will satisfy our condition. So let us do triple 1 divided by 1, triple 1 divided by 1. So answer will be triple 1 divided by 1. The answer will be triple 1 itself. Got it? Now factorize this triple 1. And what do we receive? Find. This triple 1 number is divisible by 3 according to the divisibility test of 3. Isn't it? So the sum of all digits is 3 and 3 is there in table of 3. So this number is divisible by 3. So divided by 3, what factor will you receive? That is 3 3 9, 8 7 2, 3 7. So 37 3 triple 1. My dear students, now at the value of A 3, two digit numbers value 37. Okay, so now at a tens place and at a ones place 7 is there. Means at a ones place B value 7, but here B value is 1. Is it contradiction? Here this two digit number gives us B value 7. So here it will be 7, and that same 7 should be here also. But here we have taken the value 1. So does it satisfy? No. Got it? And one more thing, my dear student. Here triple 2. So here first it is not the value of this. So it does not satisfy the equation. So we will go further. Now we will take the value of B is equal to 2. One more thing. Everywhere, my dear student, you will find this triple 2. When you will divide by 2, answer will be 111 only. Everywhere, triple 3, when you will divide by 3, the answer will be triple 1 only. Come directly to this 7. Okay. Come to directly this 7. Now here, because we had received one factor 37, so here it can satisfy. Come here, triple 7 divided by 7, the answer will be 111. Now factors of 111, 3 multiplied by 37. These two are the factors. 3 multiplied by 37. Now substitute here all the values. B value 7. 2 digit value 37. Here is value 3. And the answer is 777. Does it satisfy, my dear student? Find out here. 37 7s are and multiply by 3, the answer is 777. It satisfies. Got it? So by this way you all can find out. You can simply observe. B is equal to 7 and same 7 is here. Same B is here and the answer is triple B. Got it? Here we had carried that value. So here you can substitute 3 multiply by 7 multiply by 37. The answer is triple C. Got it? So in this way, my dear student, you can define the topic cryptogram. Okay. So in next session, I will add some more examples. You all can go through with that also. So today we will stop, my dear student. Thank you and have a good day.